What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Jen Crypto Market Update May 6, 2022. Guys, in this video, we're talking about general crypto market. There have been a bloodbath in the market. We're talking about what happened. We're looking at the top gainers and the top losers in the last 24 hours. Also, we're picking at the Bitcoin price chart. Sentiment in the market is absolute trash. We'll be talking about that. And guys, Lunar Foundation is still acquiring more Bitcoin. We'll be looking at the total crypto market cap. We'll be using all these information to decipher what happened in the market in the last 24 hours. But first, guys, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys. If you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video, let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So kicking off today's video, guys, is a general view of the crypto market in the last 24 hours. You can see in the top 100 coins, we only have one gainer in the last 24 hours. All the other coins are in losses. GMT leading away with a 19% loss in the last 24 hours. ApeCoin with a 16% loss. FTM and Wave having over 10% loss too. You might be wondering, why is the market red? Guys, the stock market crashed yesterday and crypto followed it. Crypto actually follows the stock market. So if the stock market is crashing, guess what? Your favorite altcoins will follow it. But first, before we dive into the Bitcoin price chart, guys, let's look at the top gainers and top losers in the last 24 hours. And in the top gainers in the last 24 hours, we only have Anchor Protocol that is up over 11% in the last 24 hours. Apart from Anchor Protocol in the top 100, we just have stable coins, Pax Dollars, True USD, USD Coin, and DEAR. These are stable coins, so they are not gainers or they are not losers. They are always stable. But in the losers chart, guys, we have huge losses. We have Zilliqa down almost 20% in the last 24 hours. GMT is down 19%. Wave is down 17%. ApeCoin is down 15%, Moonbeam is down 15%, Near Protocol is down 14%. And guys, in the last 1 week, these are the coins that were actually showing signs of recovery. But you could see that, man, it's a bloodbath in the market and touches every coin. Almost all the coins in the top 100 are down double-digit loss. You can see Trezor, the last coin here, is still down 10%. So you might still be wondering, what happened? Why did the market tank on itself? The day before yesterday, on the 5th of May, we were talking about how we might start going to the moon, signs of recovery. Guys, the stock market actually took a 1,000 points correction. Bitcoin dropped to as low as 35,500. This is the lowest trading have been since 2020. So what happened? So the Fed actually increased interest rates. I brought you that, guys, yesterday. That Fed increased interest rates by 0.5%. Now, it was all giggly and everybody was like, oh, it's just 0.5%. Let's continue going to the moon. But something really happened. It seems everybody just realized that, wait, the Fed is increasing interest rates because of inflation. Boom, boom, boom. Start selling, and the bears came out to play. Now, this is Bitcoin. You can see that Bitcoin was heading towards 40K. It actually touched 40K on a lot of exchanges. Let me put it on a 4-hour chart for you to just have a clear picture of what happened. Bitcoin was heading to 40K. Actually touched 40K. We were like, okay, signs of reversal, and boom, Bitcoin wrong-footed a lot of people. A lot of people started longing the markets. People started using leverage to buy the dip, and then Bitcoin had this almost 10% dip in the space of less than 24 hours. Bitcoin had an 11% dip. Right now, at the point of recording this video, guys, Bitcoin is still trading for $36,000. But we'll hope that Bitcoin can hold support. If not, the next place we'll see Bitcoin trading out maybe at $34,000. If the bulls can actually defend 35,500, we'll actually be happy. If not, guys, we might be seeing a $34,000 Bitcoin very, very soon. And if $34,000 doesn't hold, get ready for some probably $32,000 or $33,000. We hope it doesn't get to that. But guys, at this point in time, I think we'll have to spend a little time consolidating. So for the next few days, we might actually be in this $36,000, $35,000 region. But that should not strike fear in you. Guys, the good times will actually come after the bad times. Let's look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization in the last 24 hours. Coming up on number 1, guys, the king of the market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still trading for $36,400 for 1 Bitcoin, and that's a 7% decrease in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is coming up number 2. It had a 6% decrease in the last 24 hours. 1 Ethereum is going for $2,740. Coming up number 3 is USD Theta at number 4. BNB fell below that $400 mark. It actually crossed $400 yesterday. Right now, at the point of recording this video, 1 BNB is going for $378. That's a 5.4% decrease in the last 24 hours. Guys, coming up number 5 is USDC coin. At number 6 is XRP is going for 60 cents for 1 XRP. At number 7, we have Solana. 1 Solana is going for $82. This is wonderful, guys. Solana was actually trading for $260 just at the tail end of last year, around October, November last year. But right now, it's going for $82 for 1 Solana, and that's a 10% decrease in the last 24 hours and a 15% decrease in the last 7 days. Rough times for Solana holders. Corner number 8 is Luna. Luna is going for $80 for one and has a 6% decrease in the last 24 hours. ADA is at number 9. One ADA is going for 79 cents, an 8% decrease in the last 24 hours. And at number 10 is Terra USD. That's the stable coin. In the top 10, we still have 3 stable coins, guys. It tells us that a lot of people are selling stable coins. The trading volume in the last 24 hours had an increase of 14%. But it looks as if a lot of people are selling. Total crypto market cap lost 6.9% in the last 24 hours. That's the bad sign, guys. But what can we do? Let's look at the sentiment in the market, guys. Sentiment in the market is back to extreme fear. Just yesterday, we were happy that at least we left extreme fear and we're back to fear. But right now, people are scared. Anytime the stock market crashes, it affects crypto. And yesterday, the stock market was tumbling. A lot of stocks were actually just setting new lows. And I don't know, when the stock market starts trending downwards, crypto starts trending downwards because crypto and the stock market are positively correlated. Now, guys, the question I want to ask is who is doing the selling? Because yesterday, Luna Foundation actually acquired additional Bitcoin. They bought over $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin to back their stable coins. Now, the question I want to ask, guys, is that if whales are buying, if all the big whales in the markets are buying, who are the people selling their crypto? I want to believe the retail investors are getting scared. They are selling just because they assume that selling is going to be the right thing. A lot of people are waiting for the market to capitulate. A lot of people are waiting for that 80% drawback. So they're trying to front run in and sell. But we can see that the whales in the market are buying. Luna Foundation just bought more Bitcoin. You should ask yourself, when I'm selling my crypto, guys, who is buying? Guys, let's take a look at the general crypto market. Let's look at it from a weekly perspective. Where's the general crypto market? Where you can see that on the weekly perspective, the total crypto market is still at support. We're still holding this $1.65 trillion. We expect it to hold. Guys, $1.6 trillion doesn't hold on the total crypto market cap. We'll have to come to test that $1.5 trillion region. That's the region we have been scared of in the last 1 month to 2 months. But guys, it looks as if the time is almost there. We might come back to test this $1.5 trillion region, and for us to just dump to $1.5 trillion, it doesn't take that much. It just takes a 9% dump, and that can happen in a matter of minutes. But guys, we have had 5 consecutive red candles. Can we continue having red candles? At some point in time, we'll have to have a relief rally. We'll have to have that green candle that will get people bullish. Was that yesterday? Let's be honest, guys. Yesterday when Bitcoin got to 40k, people started calling for 50k. The bull market is back. Even me, I got excited. After so much dip in the last 30 days, we finally had a green day in the market where everything was flourishing. And guess what? The bears pulled the carpet under our rug and we're down in Goblin Town. But we'll be expecting higher prices. Hopefully, guys, the Crypto Unicorn Index telling us how many projects have a market capitalization of over $1 billion is almost setting a new low. You can see that the last time we had this amount of projects having only market capitalization of $1 billion was around August 2021, and that was even the rise when Bitcoin was going to 69k. Right now, we have only 87 projects that have a market capitalization of over $1 billion. Yesterday, we had over 91. So you could see that the dip actually affected a lot of projects. Right now, we have 87. We'll be expecting higher prices in the coming days. But this metric is very, very important. Anytime you see it setting new all-time highs, it means the market is overcooked. Right now, we're consolidating, and that's a very good thing because if you want to have a massive pump, you have to have a very, very long consolidation. Guys, looking at the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, because anytime the market is dumping, Bitcoin and Ethereum don't actually dump as hard as the rest of the crypto market. But when it's pumping at the same time, those altcoins pumped. And yesterday we had mad pumps in the market. But right now, if you're looking at total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, that is still holding support. We're expecting $636 billion to hold. The next line in the sand for us is that $583 billion region. We'll expect that line to hold. If $583 billion doesn't hold, guys, we are going to Goblin Town, and it's going to affect all cryptocurrencies. The ALTCOINS Index is showing us that we're still not at Altseason. All these dips that are happening, we have to actually have a sustained period of uptrend before we can actually start looking at Altseason at this point in time. But right now, it's not yet Altseason. Altcoins are not outperforming Bitcoin. You can see that in the last 90 days, Bitcoin has lost only 5%, but we have a lot of these altcoins that are down. Some of them 61%, 38%. It's just Luna, Ron, FTX, and Monero, Tron, Zcash, Leo, and etc. Those are the coins that are actually just been helping the altcoins, but Bitcoin is still outperforming them because Bitcoin has only lost only 5%, and that's actually good to see. You don't want to see Bitcoin crashing really hard. Guys, I actually believe Bitcoin is in the bear market, and I believe it will go now. By retrace, I've been saying it. I believe Bitcoin will still see 58,000, probably around $60,000 region that will get people hyper bullish. But before we get there, it's not going to be an easy ride. It's going to be a lot of hard work. So guys, let's look at the trending cryptocurrencies in the last 24 hours. GMT is still one of the trending cryptocurrencies. We have Project Galaxy. I don't know which project is that, but it's up 4% in the last 24 hours. PancakeSwap, IOTA, and Stargate Finance make up the top 5 trending cryptocurrencies in the last 24 hours. And you can see the biggest gainers in the whole of the crypto market. We still had coins that did over 1,900% yesterday. I won't advise you to get any of these coins. Most of these coins are pump and dump. Even the losers chart, most of these coins had over 1,000% gains the day before, and right now you can see most of them are down over 70%. You want to avoid these cryptocurrencies. You want to avoid pump and dump coins. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys, if you want to get notified anytime I drop these daily updates. See you guys in my next video. Bye.